Hey guys, I want you to check out this Instagram account right here. They've built up over 59,000 followers with only a little above 150 posts, and some of these videos are pulling in thousands of views, all from posting these satisfying face ASMR videos. Now, what makes this interesting is that none of this requires a camera, a model, or any editing skills. You can actually create these videos completely for free using AI, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. The other thing worth mentioning is that this niche is still relatively new. Most people haven't caught on yet, which means there's a real window right now to grow quickly if you get started early. So let's get into it. I've put together a master prompt that does all the heavy lifting for you. You'll find the document link inside my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video. Once you open that document, you'll see the master prompt right there. Go ahead and copy it. Now, head over to ChatGPT and paste that prompt in. When you run it, ChatGPT will present you with a list of face style, type, and face features options, things like funny face, angry face, surprised face, and several others. It will also ask you whether you want to use a reference image. If you have a specific face or character in mind, you can upload that image using the plus icon at the bottom of the chat. But for this walkthrough, I'm going to keep things simple. I'll select option 2 and choose no reference image, as you can see here on the screen. Now let's run it again. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate two things for you: an image prompt and a video animation prompt. These two prompts are specifically crafted to produce a high-quality face ASMR video. We're going to use them one at a time. Start by copying the image prompt. Now, open up Flow AI. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free using your Google email. It takes about 30 seconds. Once you're in, open a new project. Head over to the Settings tab and select the Create Image option. Choose your preferred aspect ratio. For the image generation model, make sure you select Nano Banana 2. This one gives the best results for this type of content. Set the number of outputs to 2 so you have options to choose from. Now paste in the image prompt you copied from ChatGPT and hit Generate. Within seconds, Flow AI will produce 2 images. Look through both and pick the one that looks the most expressive and visually striking. Once you've decided, right-click on that image or click on the 3 dots and select Animate. This is where the magic happens. In the Animation Settings tab, make sure you select VEO 3.1 Fast as your video model. Set your aspect ratio and number of outputs the same way you did before. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video animation prompt this time. Paste it into the prompt field inside Flow AI and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your face ASMR video is done. Let's preview it together. That looks really good, right? Go ahead and download it. Now let me show you the full process one more time so it really sticks. Go back to ChatGPT, paste the master prompt again, and this time, pick a different face style. Run it, and let ChatGPT generate a fresh set of prompts for you. Copy the image prompt first. Head back to Flow AI, switch back to the Image Creation tab, and make sure you're still using Nano Banana 2 as your model. Paste in your new image prompt, and hit Generate. Once your images appear, pick your favorite, right-click on it, and select Animate. Double-check that your video settings are correct. VEO 3.1 Fast, right aspect ratio, right number of outputs. Then, go back to ChatGPT, copy the video animation prompt, paste it in, and click Generate. And just like that, your second video is ready. Let's take a look at this one.
That's the entire process from start to finish.
You now know exactly how to create these viral face ASMR videos using nothing but AI. Completely free, no editing software, no design skills needed. This niche is still wide open right now, but it won't stay that way for long. The sooner you start posting, the better your chances of gaining traction before the space gets crowded. So don't just watch this and move on. Actually go and create your first video today. If this tutorial helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe to AI Pipeline so you don't miss the next one.